Hi, my name is Antonella Di Giulio and I am the creator behind the Web Piano Academy. If you would like to receive more videos about the world of piano, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Now, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a major scale starting from any key on the keyboard. A major scale is a sequence of notes in a certain order. Now, if we take the C scale, for example, that's very simple. We play the C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Okay, now this is a diatonic scale because we play one note after the other and we don't repeat any of the notes. So we don't play C, then C sharp, and then D, but we play C, D, and we don't say C, D, or E flat, or D sharp, and then E again. So we just follow the sequence of notes, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So if we will start from the G, we have to do the same. G, A, B, C, D, E. We go to the F sharp. We don't call that G flat, but F sharp because it's E, F, F sharp, and then G. And then the same when we start from the D, D, E. This can be G flat or F sharp, but in this case, we call that F sharp because we are following the sequence of notes. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Now, the major scale follows a simple sequence of whole tone steps and half tone steps. So the first one is a whole step, you see, 2 half steps, whole step, half step. And again, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Now, if we start from the C sharp, we'll have whole step, half step, then whole step, half step. So C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, which is a C, and C sharp. So when we start from the D, it is exactly the same. Whole step, so 2 half steps, whole step, half step, so 1, 2, 3, and then again, whole step, half step, half step. The half step, the last half step is between the 7th and the 8th note of the scale. Now, if we start from the E flat, we'll have whole step, and then half step, whole step, half step. And we can continue in this way for all the keys of the piano. Try to find the major scales, try to build the major scales starting from any of the keys on your keyboard. Have fun, bye!